Well, how awesome is this? We are getting what the weather forecasters are saying probably is our one big snow event for the season here. And I mean, how often do you get an untrampled path like this to enjoy? Now I'm sorry if there's some water spots on the lens, but you can't help it when it's snowing like this. This is your first time here on the channel. My name's Jason Yoder. And this is where I share with you guys my travel and my photography experiences. And I just couldn't help myself today. I had to get out, and thank goodness I got four-wheel drive, because some of the roads I drove to get here are completely unplowed. Whew. So, other than enjoying this peaceful environment, what I'm hoping to do is to photograph the forest while it's covered in snow. Now, if you've been following me these last few weeks, you know, I've been talking a little bit about woodland photography. It is an area that I struggle in, and yeah, I've been trying to work on it while I'm out here, but just can't quite nail it because of all the chaos of the woods. I'm hoping with the snow it tames it down just a little bit and allows us to get more interesting images. So right now I'm walking through about 7 inches of snow. It's still coming down. Somewhere up here there is a side trail, and that's what we're going to take to get into the forest over here and see if we can get some great images. But till then, what a beautiful morning hike. You can tell by I'm huffing puffing. Huh. Better be careful while we're in the forest. Branches are coming down, because tell by I'm huffing puffing. This is deep, heavy snow, and the weight on the branches is starting to take its toll. So we'll try our best to stay around the evergreens, which stand up better to heavy snow loads. And look at this one here. Alright, sorry if the camera's a little bit of an angle here. So I'm in some pretty deep snow right now. So I'm actually going to stop for just a second. This branch hanging down is kind of making a frame. Framing is one of the rules of composition. One of the things you can do to enhance your photography. So I'm going to shoot through this frame. Now I'm going to do this free-handed. I can just get my stuff off. I got so much gear on to keep it warm right now. Alright, try to keep water off the lens best I can. So I'm going to position myself and then start taking this image. Alright, so as always, when you're shooting, whether it's on tripod or handheld, take multiple images, because you just don't know which ones are going to be blurry, which ones are not. And obviously I take more images when I'm doing handheld. Okay, so I'm learning a little bit about snow in the North Woods. Back there, I don't know if you can see it, that tree lying in the path, we just came through there. There's another hiker behind me, gotta be careful. So here cracking, look up and get ready to run. Whew. Didn't really think about widowmakers, trees coming down. So we're coming up on some more trees that have fallen. I can see up here some tree limbs weighted down. I could have sworn the trail was here. There's a good chance we may have passed it. It's just really hard to see with all the snow down here. So we may be shooting the forest from the road at this point. That one definitely came down in the snow. All right, so I got a chance for this other hiker gets in front of us and puts footprints down. I'm gonna shoot out here and get an image of this totally pristine snow-covered road through the forest. Again, going free-handed, taking lots of pictures. All right, so I'm gonna drop my f-stop down to 7.1. I got my ISO at 400. More trees coming down. So I'm in a little bit of a clearing here, giving a little protection from any fallen trees. Beautiful. I think I see an opening up here. We're gonna see if the trail takes us to it. Might provide for a good image. Whew, getting workout today. Now, is this not epic? Giant trees. There's giant trees in the snow over this trail. We're gonna get this image. Had to hurry there with my lens tilted up to make sure I didn't get any snow on it. I think I got the image. Oh, can't believe how beautiful it is out here. Days like today, I wish I wore contacts. Yeah, that really didn't help. Oh, some more way up here. Well, that opening I was going for is not really happening. You can hear by the sound of the creaking wood. Not exactly comfortable continuing in right now. You know, because especially since I am all alone out here. I think it'd be best if we just continue along the road and did the photography from there. So we're going to head on back out. Only got about 100 feet in, but as beautiful as this is, gotta think safety. This is just something I'm not used to. The smell of the ocean in snow. What we have here is the lonely bench image. Looking out here over the ocean, got some trees totally covered in pristine snow. So we're gonna just kind of walk around the scene and see what compositions we can get. Whew, well, by the sound of all these trees coming down, just don't think it's safe to head into the forest. Yeah, I am out here all by myself, so gotta take safety in consideration. Did get a couple of neat forest pics This snow event is going to continue for another few hours. I'm going to head back to the Jeep and dry the equipment, try and do a little maintenance, get the batteries charged. I'm going to get some food in me because I am burning calories like crazy out here. And we are going to continue this adventure here in the snow, but we're going to continue it in another episode. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you got some great tips here, and also what to look out for when you're in an environment like this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I also appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to support this channel further, check out patreon.com/EWJ and join my Explore with Jason community over on Patreon. Alright guys, I got quite a bit of a hike back to the Jeep. Gotta start going. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.